Manu Kwada Busamino, I say. Some of you know at the Ghana's #1 radio station. No doubt. No doubt about that. Ghana's #1 radio station. Aha! An agenda near Setiwo. Fama also an apenso so yes in Kunya de Breo. Na and some kitten do a manoa and can a penny person me address and sana. Mako, the main issue are and then maybe the Hunjuma. But I'm not intimidated, no but true answer. Yidisa Dwada, Yebenyamre. Now, I have 3 issues. Metro Boss and my address. I am Meka, and I believe that is where I derive my power from. Say, Ghana's Constitution, Article 1, that the sovereignty of this nation resides in we the people of Ghana. It is an amontobia akwaso omanhim. Na some penifo amfa menu mienu. Wanwini abayo anu am say ka say wanam traffic mu ton pure water. Abrante no watam ni sunshine box. Na wabom koko wade na mpatamu abemu anu a woso yogurt na wo miemu pupo wobechine na damu ni nyina say sabe ye nhihye ne yandwene safo no ho a na edi o man na bro. I must be very honest. Anapai Marenkayo Baya Bosume ni achire Ve Bosume ni achire Eko baya Bosume mienu Medi jumadi ebisi mani so Na enu manwie ena medi chire ho Anapai Metwaso Obakaya, me the poultry farmers be by studio ha. Poultry farmers. Ekuafo wamono enkoko wamonyen. Me do ba ha. Na no ma sam ne sen. Ma me mo mu na femi wi a yento aso firi ho. Be February bosome 2015-2016. Enkoko yare bi atisi Ghana ha bird flu enkoko yare atisi Ghana ha ementi ahuko hian se sene ebe ya yare no entre enti poultry farms ahodo a sa yare ni bi wo ho no esese enkoko ni nyina ye den ye hye wo mase. As a son kukwani nyina yesi wo mase. The Ministry of Food and Agriculture FCS otu anamo identify farms na sa bird flu kukwanya de ebi wo ho. Eduru ha na as a son kukwano say kukwano ya ba akopɔ so ya mienu o. Enkoko ni nyina esi ehwo omase na enkran ni tema mpotamu ha enkran eni tema mpotamu ha na nhihye na kwa se nyesa enkoko ni ehwo omase kwa na emomu no yebema compensation enkoko ni dodo ni agira so ni ade atwa woka na wasan so ahyase afoforo and that will be after. And she say, "Ye be a omdi go akwan so wadi so awie." Esan say da, but if am say betna ha, wo me kirem. say a shen nkokwa na si wi a say poultry farm no ni ceiling roof ni nyina say utu free ho na awia eden ebo farms nim ekum emmoa wano a wo mede nkokwa yade ne ba no ekum wo nyina for some time ansana washa asia foforo na tema ene nkran potamu hankwa poultry farmers 36 what would you make us say compensation krono a aban share bono woman sankan medimu miensa ebai mo be kan womasem ma be kan ya mene veterinary officer in fact ono ye director kra mene ono so twetwe nkomo phone so mu ho bi wo share bo so plans are far advanced so the needed compensation no yade masa poultry pharmacy besin na mi bi so compensation no poultry pharmacy no amusaka yade amomo na poultry pharmacy no yade amomo wamusaka poultry pharmacy atwe asemi ho atwe ho nsam nkrata bebre na yehye wo mo but kasa ne nyamu me kai pass in the 2016 supplementary budget a copy parliament na wom 2016 supplementary budget a copy parliament na wom so ya chesika to ha ya dey be compensate sa poultry farmers no sansika no ewe hin nibisa sansika no ewe hin and since 2016 ankwaka poultry pharmacy ensa and they came here lamenting bisi a one boy at the yes adwuman because nkokwa ye na nafam me anya bi da but me no bi a me ban me pa wo yesa adwuma ne bi kofa nkokwa ketenkete na fei wanye womo a enuru a wode bema womo nuane feed ni ade ama womo anyin broilers nie layers nie ansa no wotimi aka say wo ton bi aton bi nkosua ebi kura kwaje bank loan anom de abeye say adwuma no enti say ko base adwenpo ana trimu papa say okay yan pese bird flu no be 20 yakum nkokɔ ni nyina ya hye wo mo ase afiaka compensation na so Ghana ha no bibia ni na kɔbɔ so pɛ na obi ti baby o say obey politics and a person we go aban no ho fi and a person go aban no anim ase but look some of these things say I'm showing and the citizens here on that's be the president esa ye twa to ho no ye mana nanom wo ma bebo yesobo because obo on my portrait adwuma ya wo yi a family business adwuma ne nana ye and odija ne papa and ono so ba be so mu a wo kire ne ma ye ka say wakadem adwuma no agu now the number of birds are some farms yes say yes she wo ma say I mean ebi wo hokra over 2,000 birds ebi 10,000 birds 7,000 supplementary budget approval no na a cover compensation for these poultry farmers 20 as far back as 2016 no sansika no ewa he Justice Kubulai Kwame a poultry farmer mamene ne nkasa na mi wi ame nto aso Justice Akwaba
Yaja.
What's the background when I say? Who are you, me boy?
Me wa farm me Juma.
Who farmer we are Juma? Compensation ya share boss ya de ma mo no. Dan no ka mo ba me Juma dey so no, correct?
But me ka.
Now ka ho. Compensation mo nsaka.
Openi yen sankan yo. Ana ya rehu asem nse o se before ye ba be ka se o nguko no ya re na etu ni e be flu no ya be sha obo se ye ku onyina unkosuo bibia wa fam onyina fam kwa o miso ye tu amana ye kunkuku onyina na ye tiwo ye be sha onkran na ye tiwo ye wi aka cho se botum yensa ye do sika be bro o se as a citizen of the country. Yeah, aban be sure but you. On better remind Yarena at 20. Young cool. Now what you women near to Sikama. Over here, they say, I see Bosumiansa, Abafi, Abanfiamiansa, they say, Fear 90. One big kind of problem with the previous government, Etiama about 29 affected farmers. And about to try by it. But now, he said, oh no, he's for agree. And he will be any cell, and everybody definitely over your mind. I've been seen it. A combat said, he caught the form the Queen ground, so there's no money, and it's fine.
But maybe justice. I don't know, but correct me. In 2016, there was a supplementary budget approval.
7 million, yes.
To cater for bird flu kukoya yeshi wa masi mebo
yes all the affected farmers yes
sans kan mo de che maybe some am saying
there was a time your coach we minister in charge of agri certain minister in charge of agri. You go to an occasion, and the question 7 million now, Parliament approved it was to cater for all the affected farmers. But the veterinary service, so they appropriated the amount, the money. And on a year effort. And to make sure, say,
say, okay, sir. One more Sikano Basa misappropriated the money. No, Sikano, one more there because there was a specific purpose. Sikano, you did survey, and one more there.
According to a man, or not, I can say on the bit of car, and then which was not meant for that. And here, as affected farmers, it shouldn't be our problem. And to make sure so much your mind. And here, the Biania for your crowd. There be a could be a Sankran on Cassette, 20 years. Anna, yet the court. Yet the court, no, and a home by Sophie, on what you assume your mind, in the act of court settlement. And Tiakosia, the Attorney General, any director of agri, any the veterinary officers are on the Kuyankukono, and on G2, on the 90% of the compensation, any winter. Master, and I basically still own TSK. And I was agreement saying, yeah, no, I just said, after the settlement, no, after 1 month, this can one the principal never say include interest also. Up to now, you can own it.
No, one thing is that Uncle do what say, and one more Kumom.
Uncle Mingo for 6,101.
6,101 beds.
Yes. And our opinion, out of that 6,101, but they call veterinary and somebody said, a bear flu. On Casio, okay, I can crowd it on Napachoka, be a coon, and said, if there are some farms around her. The way they usually is to contain the outbreak. It won't be coon. Massa. Feed you, Uncle Shaka, what package you be a shino. Now, about the situation, Massa, you cut the consequence of this coronavirus. Yeah, you can edit it out. You can edit it out. And I will just have a count. Enti masa serious.
No, neba, justice. You wouldn't for any and cocoa over 6,000 year. What can one say me? Say, yeah, Costia, Nibwa Bay saying, a cannabis saying, justice.
Maybe is about 139,000.
139,000.
Yes.
139,000 Ghana cedis.
Yes.
That is Waboka.
Waboka, and opening the other plan is you affected farmers in Libya. Ebiana, you are really about this belt you say. The only cocoa, sometimes they find difficult to discover the cost, the actual cost. Over quality, I can see a continuity. Which eventually in the Sabia, Ungo Kono, now you bear 10,000. And I be 5,000 we are went and declare against you. Nyomba the poor and a whole cow. It is our own cocoa, it be 100. Now say, oh, one, I can't, no, but we see a devil, I just okay. 10 I can, and no compensation, no one will count. And the idea, and yes, and go on, and yes, but cow, daddy, and all the poor, they came and destroy, all the cool, massa. And go on, Yaru. Yakacho said, let's show them so I will contend the disease, any and their matter.
Well, the fact say, you're Chiabi, and I Jabi, and no, I'm doing what I mean, Tiasiano, justice. You're Chiabi, dear.
Okay, you better say politics. I don't know because I banned it, and a banadican.
Mukoshe party A and answer party B. Answer your talker.
I'm kind of you're moving Pukrano. You're too young and that and say, Nana de Ocase and Padre. It's Nana Banco de Betek. I'm quite make a show. They move it to Tia, Mahama say, oh, Nana Betek, Kamani and the matter.
Well, it is a CIA meeting Cocoso Musu. I said, what shall I say? Kakra, what to move him? I shall say Kakra. Well,
you may be a money. Me work at Obiako Transfer. They say, me, and got some moment number. Me, Jawa, me work at Bia, Obesha Mammy. And so now there's work at about 6 and Chonka. And then auxiliary workers said, you want every year. You're from Mount Baby, you're Tionka, and Tango when you'll be at you. And that I can say, you can't one this one factory now. The typical example for the poultry family. A man me from Kusia, Ecotoma in the before, Ecoma on and one extra son of Massa. Yes, any more, Juan. A Juman any more, say, family Buya, because of the Soviet, if you're not being question, mammy. And Tiamano, yes, sir, yes, sir, no. Yes, sir, the stimulus package, you know, the man of one. Yes, son, I am stimulus package. One Piaca. Yes, I'm first can share Juma. Yan Franco for also on Benya Juma. Yan Brown on money. Yes, son, stimulus package. Yampe or the on Yaya. Yakuyan on Chess can mine. Now the back of your cocotti. Yellow and against this documents are called the finance minister almost 1 year new. And he said the finance minister controller and account general. I don't say if you want to call we schedule officer. Master Dabe. Then a debut council depreciate you. They say that the Canon Caribbean 3 years ago, met me their son go about another 7,000. They say, so German car, 15,000 go 3,000.
Also,
because by that time, not 50 kilograms of meat was about just 55 Ghana cedis. They say the same kilogram of abron is about 85 Ghana cedis. And by that time, the old price, that's a good command. By that time, Bako imported one, but about 40-50%. And then we look at we imported the old Texas. Bako 9 cedis, 30%, almost 10 cedis. And the scarecrow don't try and number cry. You and come to 2 or 3 years ago. Me to find it. So how are you?
Now, you stimulus package, you know, to see our boss or no. Move your hand, Mamma, so can be. That's it.
But maybe, luckily, maybe me a chairman of the Achama mostly farmers association here.
Okay.
Mata obi anyu sanka scan bi. Ana me wan kofo nso a ne minimum the farmers on do man. And ya me take you on plan there a master loan and then e be say an on ma ho. Na nya aka there. Similar package obi an sanka bi.
Onim eno kura yan fan to nchen se na aka ye no because there is compensation as say aban ni hwe. No tua de mamu. Empa nsa na ebeka stimulus package ana say master loan ya kan no ho asem. Stimulus package ni master loan eno yan fan to nchen. Na yan hwe mientia up to date since 2016. Womun tia sika no emfa mamu bi so mo bebe ho mamu kwaje bank loan na mo de be ye adwuma yi
masa bi no wa gina don farm o farm so ho kwa say adwuma enye ize o cha afia e be do ma bi ha on be through e bro e bi be through concentrate onim say adwuma ne unya yin kwa de ba me wo be fia man obi de bro be bro obi de so ya be bro nti wo so tom go fia na wo tua nti masa e bi no wa gina don ka we na bo bia say on one side debt collected they be on farm on to nya we say what you farm over metu no serious matter
it just is over 6,000 beds no wo mo share ase no and also about hundreds of thousands of Ghana cedis aboka yes what can say saying beza me twa to ho na
169,000 Ghana cedis and the media person in you, Obia, Obinso, you could need 16,900 and something. Stardom Farms.
Stardom Farms. 16,946.
Yes, would I just imagine that?
Stardom Farms. 16,946 beds.
Yes. Lieutenant
Colonel Adi, 7,903 beds of Ankoya.
Aye. He's still in service. One to me, though Yako court to so still. Yes, sir. The document is with the finance minister up to now. You won't join.
That's his mommy. Don't see any face here.
That's it.
Abraham Tete so a poultry farmer. Mama, Abraham, mommy. Yeah, ebusu asam no ye kan sa no won. E ya rehosem. Kada sisi amene ne kasa yi. Yeah. 6,101 beds. Maboka 169,000 Ghana cedis. Kane over 1 billion. Abraham Tate enso a poultry farmer. Ebi. Ate saying
Boko Munia. I want to say
Yegusun kakra.
Yo, Mikio.
Wo farm so no he.
Me what my new town getting to never based area.
Wo ye. Wo ba so dodo saying na say ka say wo mo share say bird flu nti Abraham
600
beds.
600 beds.
I no e kan no be som saying
as at now some my 90% there's a 14,000 plus
14,000
without interest, but that's the normal amount calculated at 16%. 90% market value.
Compensation no what do you say? One can personally what do you say?
Oh, mania. Yeah, since previous government was about 2015. Yeah, so many times I can't even unless I go into my books. Yeah, you could be court. I'm going to withdraw some amicable settlement, out of court settlement. As at now, nothing has been done. Sanity.
Not me beside justice. 2016. Now me beside justice. O colleague and also yes. Now me beside justice Kubulai.
Yes.
Now me beside Sir, 2016 supplementary budget na a woman say ya approve sika for compensation. Na asama waka kire me say veterinary for ni say Sikani de omusa kan. But
Yes.
one de aya de foforo. Say one de atoto cars ne keka ho. Wabra that money was meant for more poultry farmers, you know. Abraham.
Yes. Oh.
Sasa mi ato asumu.
Many no crepa yeah, that then the agric minister, deputy minister of agric in charge of livestock. Then could share son or catcher. In a Vietnam, so they were present. Almost you almost to talk cars in Yaman, so many ambassadors. And Jom I'm more 11 million. I think so. I'm the man say, I'm on Tia and car. And Jom Chaka Kevin and Yamon somebody to talk cars. It's a woman you want it in the night. Yeah, pursue, to be seen there. So, make us say, me a pensioner. No, me down for my passing in a Swabuno, I say. Oh, and the some high and papa.
Abraham,
yeah, me, your crimes almost ambassador out of court. But in there.
Abraham, win him. Mamma found here.
Yo,
I found here. Wo best 600 waboka be 14,000 Ghana cedis. Mamma found here. E jwana nyame adoma obesa me kabio.
Yo, me kabio.
You see, these are some of the issues I'm here. Na hame. And maybe the said, this is why I am here. Near me be say, until me ha. Lawrence Agwazonso a poultry farmer. Lawrence Akwaba.
Yeah.
Maybe sound send me no near the kind. What bats do was saying, and that one more essay no.
Yo, the chair with you for you. This particular batch there, maybe in Kahun, but me so me nyasa sa we no be da.
Okay.
Yeah, the no be o mutu yanka.
I see.
But yeah, me di me ho agimu ni say. Niam me frame no. Niam me frame the last time no. Yeah, batch no kwa na bi no kwa se ye kokon mo ho. E bi so mo di green kwafo ka. Ito me hu niam ya frame na.
Just niam mo frame mo ansa na mo saka usika no.
Yes, saka usika no. E no kwa nya penifobia omo di enim. Association penifobia sa papa no waka baby. Enti no eno kwa ntana etumi nyae. Enti me hwania kwafo ekoma for 5 years no. Na it say me transfer. Nka say eti onyonko eti adua ho. Say me di say enim o transfer. Afen so kwa no. Say obai no wan kan here for compensation ho. What is the policy of government with respect to compensation? If we say yabusu ya muaidi yare uya mua yare baba yare baba and I feel so we are nipa na so tia se wo se ne obehwe ohun so afa kra no so no obetumi nya yare enti no say you see yare aba mutual compensation ti no muntu abioma e just a parking doors no ebebu so you are talking about job creation. How can we create jobs when these things are happening? What I say, enti na me no me to me di me oji afro thank God for so omo ye farmers say here and need to meet now for and show omo na near you can say the last time you can say ba ko kura say you try me nine and no kwa no bi anjin ho oh
poultry farmer ba ko ha ye 29
ye try na onya the say yare no ba mo phone ko kwa na so nya sika emfa no so ye diabetes mo try 9 ya o fi obi anhwe no oh na wo mo ba nyina yare no wo mo a enya wo from from 2015 up to date no that yare and free yama muda it is said there oh na say on say ya kokọ no ya wo yare pi na so yare we pe e na ye tua ho compensation e bi say no de we asa fa na nyina no ya ji atumu say yare bi a betumi akon
Lawrence Lawrence, my offense here. This message, Sparky Bibi woman, but your offense here, and I do my brother. So Lawrence Agwazonso a poultry farmer. And I play many 3 poultry farmers. Justice Kubulai Kwame. One only best 6,101. Waboka 169,000 Ghana cedis. Kane 1.6 billion. And actually Abraham Teten so Nkoko 600 ɔno nso abɔka 14,000 kane 140 million. Na Lawrence there nyame ncha de ɔno ne saka no compensation but ɔno ehunu ne awɔfa mu ansa na ɔde ne ho aka ne nuanom yi a wɔn twe a ɛmma yi nyame adoba adwa da sasɛm yi yɛbɛto aso ma mefa sida no ɛmfa ma Fogo Trading Enterprise